Welcome to the Better Memoir Writing Masterclass channel. Have people told you your memoir manuscript needs more feeling? Do they say you have the facts down, but not the emotions? Today's topic will help you access and write feelings into your memoir. I will outline 4 ways to do so. But before we start, let me introduce myself. I am Denis Ledoux, author of the classic granddaddy of memoir writing books, Turning Memories into Memoirs, and the founder of the Memoir Network. Stay with me to the end of this video, and I will suggest another video to help you write a better memoir with feelings. So, how do you write feelings into your memoir? How do you write a memoir that is not only details and facts, but also includes much feeling? Here are my 4 tips. Tip number 1. It may be that you are out of the habit of reflecting on your feelings. It may also be that you learned not to pay attention to your feelings, at least certain ones of them, and you now have to relearn to notice feelings. If I were coaching you, I would frequently ask you, as you were telling me facts, well, how did that fact make you feel? And how does that make you feel now to remember that? So all the time, be asking yourself, how did that fact or experience feel? How does that make you feel now that you remember that? And of course, jot down your responses and include them in your memoir. You will be surprised at how much more aware of your feelings this simple exercise will enable you to be. But there are those who say, I truly do not remember my feelings. What can I do? Well, tip number 2. Here's a fiction to memoir exercise that will uncover many feelings. Take a scene, a memory from your life, and write it up as fiction. Remember, this is only an exercise, and the writing that will result will not be part of your memoir. I am not suggesting you fictionalize your memoir, only that you use this fiction technique to release how to write more feelings into your memoir. In the fiction vignette I am asking you to write, attribute feelings to your fictional characters who are living a scene from your life. Make the feelings up. Yes, make them up. Have the characters respond in a way that you wish you had responded. Ramp the characters' feelings and their reactions up a bit. Let them have free rein with possible feelings. In time, your real-life feelings will come up. It always happens. It is not important to finish the fiction story at this point. Uncovering your feelings was your goal, not writing a fiction. But of course, if you like the story that has resulted and you would like to see it through, by all means, finish it. What happens here in this fiction writing exercise is that the unconscious is tricked into releasing memories that contain feelings. Remember, the role of the unconscious is to keep memories unconscious. In this exercise, you have to trick your unconscious to reveal its content. Tip number 3, do visualizations. Visualization is another critical exercise to recapture feelings. Project yourself back at the time of a negative or unproductive experience and relive it. Remind your younger self that you, the adult, are there with that child, and as an adult, you will protect that child. The child needs fear nothing, as you are there to protect him or her. Let yourself experience the feelings that come up. Remind the child that he or she is safe. Again, you are tricking the unconscious into revealing content that it has tried to keep unconscious. Tip number 4, use details. I do not mean a plethora of details, for instance, everything that might have been in the kitchen where you were 14. I do not mean for you to choose details as a social historian might or a museologist. I mean for you to use details that conjure feelings for the reader. Your stepfather's character, for instance, needs to be portrayed in the details you select to describe the actions and the setting the reader will find your stepfather in. You must portray him patiently showing you how to tie your shoes and hugging you once you have succeeded, or, unfortunately, you may portray him as hitting you and denigrating you. Details of these scenes would suggest feelings quite naturally. In conclusion, writing feelings into your memoir is quite important. Over time, you will find writing feelings into your memoir to be easier and easier. Feelings can be incorporated as you undertake second and third drafts. Think of memoir as layered writing, which can be added to. If you would like to explore receiving help with putting feelings into your memoir or any other aspect of memoir writing, know that we offer a 30-minute complimentary get-to-know-you coaching consultation. The link to a free consultation is in the description below. Before you go, please hit the subscribe button at the bottom left of this video and click on the bell next to it. Subscribing assures this memoir writing content will appear on your YouTube homepage and recommendations bar. Clicking the bell next to the subscribe button will provide you with notifications when I upload content, whether a video or bonus material I send periodically to subscribers. Unless you click the bell, you will not receive these notifications. Be sure the bell selection is at all to take advantage of everything I have to offer. Oh, and before you go, here's the bonus I promised you, a link to our video, Steps to Write Memorable Memoir Characters. Remember, inch by inch, it's a cinch. Yard by yard, it's hard. Good luck writing your stories.